What's up guys, it's me your Gmail. So how to add a user? I mean you can easily add multiple user on the essential phone PH-1. Go to the setting, where the setting, go to the system. Okay, system advanced, go to the advanced and click multiple user. Currently I'm right now signing as a owner. You can even turn on the guest mode on, or you can add a new user as you want. Okay, I don't want to set up. Let me delete this. User. To be honest with you, remove this user. Yeah, this is how you set up user. You can set up multiple user for multiple people. Again, it was me, none other than Jimmy Geek. Do not forget to subscribe.